I use Maxim to guide the telescope. If the telescope loses its guide star for more than about 5 minutes, then Maxim will initiate a script. That script should park the telescope, check the telescope's in its parked position, and then close the roof using this 12-volt winch. So here we go. So the telescope should now park itself. There it goes. The winch draws in this cable which pulls the roof closed, and it stops when it hits this micro switch, but the script also turns the motors off after about 40 seconds. So the roof should now start. And there the micro switch is closed, cut the power to the relays, and the winch is stopped, and it's pretty much in its home closed position. The reason for the sponge there is to just stop the momentum of the roof continuing into the relay, into the micro switch and damaging it. And that's it.